Hey, hi people, this is me, Pari. Today's topic is Mr. Dale Carnegie's book, which I am currently reading. In this book, I have come across a very fantastic subject, which is of a criticism. Normally, what happened that when we see it's really natural when we feel to criticize someone if you see something wrong, but it rarely fixes anything. We never notice that, like, instead of we criticize people and we thought that he'll understand something. Instead of that, that person gets annoyed, he goes into defensive mode, and apart from that, what happens is like, it acts as a wound in someone's pride. Then this person's become more aggressive. We end up with frustration from both the sides. I'll give you an example of my one of my sites. So usually I go for a site visit to check whether all the compliances are intact or not. So once I've observed that there is one safety officer and he was yelling on the workers, why you are not wearing a hard hats and all that. So he came, at me, and he was like, "Ma'am, see, I keep telling them to wear a hard hats, but they are not wearing it. Um, they were in front of me. As soon as I left, they took it off again." So I told him, "See, basically, what I've observed is you really need to change of the style of your tone. So now, next time when you'll go there, when you'll trying to confront them, so do one thing, just change your tone, be little calm. Just try to understand why they are not wearing the hat. Is that hat is uncomfortable, and also try to make them understand why it is important to wear a hat, as it protects from injuries and all that. Just try to build up that rapport and the connection with them, and it will work." And one day he called up and he said, "Ma'am, they started wearing the hat and it really works." So this is how sometimes the things works. If you criticize, if you yelling them, then they upset their emotions, and then they, though they wanted to, they will not gonna do it. So yes. So the same things happen with our family as well. If you have observed, I used to do this with my kid. I always used to yell that why you're keeping your room so messy and all that. But it ends up nothing. He always used to do that way. Then I changed the tone, and one day I called Aditya and I said, "Aditya, why the house is so messy?" He said nothing. So I said, "Okay, I understand that you might be feeling so tired after coming from the school and all that. So better what we'll do it together. So what happens, you will find your things very easily. So let's try, to do this and see how it works." So once I did with him once or twice a time, and then he realized that Mama is trying to help me out and Mama understands my problem. Next time onwards, I really didn't need to tell that to him. He was doing on his own. Things happen so many times with our friends as well. There are some friends who always be late when we wanted to meet up, and all we are waiting for that one particular friend. And then when he comes, we always started yelling on him, "Yaar, you to hamesha late hota hai, roz ka hi hai." But then what happens, no, that guy understands that yes, bolenge और छोड़ देंगे. And then he always goes with his own tantrum, I mean the way coming and all that. But if you just think once that if you will call him up, if suppose he's late and you will tell him, "Guy, भाई तू मत लेट आ, तेरे लेट आने की वजह से हमें जो तेरे साथ जो टाइम स्पेंड करना है ना, वो टाइम खोटी होता है, and that's the only reason which is painful for us. We really don't get a time, and your time is so much valuable for us." If you will talk in such a way, that he or she will be, understand that emotional attachment, and then they'll understand why that time is important, and then make sure to come on a time. Just try it out and you'll see the results. You understand, guys, criticism is like a wound. Understanding, encouragement is kind of a transformation, it's really changed the entire perspective. So if you're really looking out for a change, replace criticism with the empathy, and next time when you wanted to criticize someone, just pause and ask yourself whether it is necessary or it only going to hurt someone. Okay, take care. See ya.